You probably think water is enough to clean a concrete mixer, but it's actually much more complicated than that. At first, workers have to climb through the small rear opening and work inside the tight metal chamber. One worker swings a heavy sledgehammer, breaking chunks of dried concrete off the blades. Another uses a handheld chipping hammer that vibrates and chisels away stubborn buildup. In the toughest spots, a powerful pneumatic jackhammer is used to break apart solid layers of cement stuck to the drum. Cleaning a concrete mixer isn't just rinsing it with water. It's a tough and dangerous job that requires workers to physically break hardened concrete from the inside.